Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover a new problem statement that is programmed to reverse a string. So what does reversing a string means? Consider an example Python. Now we have to reverse the string. It means that we have to rewrite the string in a reverse order. It means that PYTHON, right? We have to reverse NOHTY and then P. Now we have to write a program to find either the enter string is a palindrome or not. As usual way, we know that how to take input from this user. Text is equals to input, enter a string. Now here we are going to reverse that string. So use a variable called reverse is equals to a text of two semicolon and the -1. Now we are going to print the string of a string. How does it really works? So what does it mean that? What is the -1? So this method is actually called as a slicing method. Enter the Python, so it gives that the output. Okay. So what ending value is nothing but starting index of the string. Ending value is nothing but ending index of the string, and step is nothing but either increment or the decrement. But in we have used that -1. So what does it means that we do not specify any start value, we do not specify any end value. How does it really works? So when we specify in this manner, the Python program it automatically considers that the starting value and ending value, and it decrements -1, and it prints the reversing of a string. This is the one type of a method which we can print the reverse of a string. We have another method by loops. So as usual, you know that how to use for loops, right? We are using this for loops for I in range of. We have to find the length of the string. So for that, the function called len of str. Str is nothing but string, right? The string name is text. So we have to find that len of the string -1 comma -1, and so a reverse plus is equals to, we have to add that text of that index value. Now here we are going to print that reversing of a text. How enter a string, enter Python, it gives that the reversing of a string. So first we have specified an empty variable called reverse. It's nothing but is a empty string. Now here we have used loops for I in range of len of text. Consider a Python. Python, how many characters does the Python have? Totally Python have 6 characters, right? So here len of text is nothing but it gives that the length, the number of characters of the user entered the input. So as usual we have 6 characters. So 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5, comma -1 comma -1. It means that 5 is the starting value, -1 is the ending value, and -1 is the increment or the decrement. It means that for every time it going to minus one value from this 5. Suppose 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 2. In this manner we have to going to print that. And here we have used reverse plus is equals to text of 5. What does it means that where reverse is nothing but a empty string which we are going to add the reversed characters in that empty string. Here we have used text of I. What does it means that? It means the text of I value, considered I value as a 4. So now here it going to print the text of the character which is present at the index, where Python, right? Python having index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So with text of 5, first I value starts from 5. Okay, I value starts from 5. Here we have used text of I, right? So text of 5, it means that it returns the character which is present at the fifth index. So fifth index, the character in this Python is n. So first it prints this n value. Okay, from this output we see that it prints this n value. After that, again the loop runs and it gives the text of the character which is present at this fourth index, and again it gives the text of character which is present at the third index, and again it gives the text of character which is present at the second index. Program to check either the enter string is palindrome or not. Here we have reversed the string, and we are going to check if the reversed string is equals to original string, then it's a palindrome, right? Suppose user entered a string called madam. So as you know that the reversing of string is a madam, and it gives that the madam is a palindrome. So let us try with an example which is not a palindrome. Suppose entered Python, it gives that the reversed string. This is the reversing of a string, and Python is not a palindrome. Why? Because the reversed string is not equals to the original string. In this manner, we can say that the Python is not a palindrome. So if you have any doubts, please go to the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.